The electric 2020 Porsche Taycan does everything fast. In Turbo S trim, it rips to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds on its way to a claimed top speed of 162 miles per hour. A prototype Taycan lapped the infamous 12.8 mile Nürburgring circuit as quickly as a 2016 Cayman GT4. Put to use in the real world, the electric Porsche will even refill its 93.4 kilowatts per hour battery from 5 to 80% in just 22 minutes, or so at the most powerful charging stations. Like every electric vehicle, the Taycan is Teflon smooth and very quiet in its power delivery, until you perform a launch control start. With the front and rear electric motors combined for a 2.5 second zap of 750 horsepower and 774 foot-pounds of torque, the Taycan's launch is even more unhinged than the Tesla Model S's ludicrous mode. The Taycan is the first EV to feature a multi-speed transmission, which allows for quicker acceleration in first gear and greater efficiency and top speed in second. The Porsche only starts in first gear in its Sport and Sport Plus drive modes, and you'll feel only the faintest interruption in the torque when it shifts in most situations. But during a launch, the transmission shifts hard and fast with no concern for anyone's comfort. It's unlike anything you will experience in an EV vehicle. Despite weighing 5,246 pounds and dispensing with all the personality inherent to an internal combustion engine, the Taycan Turbo S's dynamics are true to the Porsche DNA as the car's $186,350 starting price.